What if I told you there's a secret world where top multifamily investors find hidden deals that most people never even hear about? Imagine unlocking the strategies they use to discover these off-market gems in 2025. Stay with me, because today I'm revealing the insider tactics that could elevate your investment game to the next level. Hello, I'm Steven. With over a decade of experience in investment banking and serving as a key finance executive for Fortune 500 companies, I've witnessed firsthand how the pros consistently find these elusive opportunities. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of real estate and business to uncover how top investors find off-market multifamily deals. By the end, you'll have actionable tips to access properties others only dream about. Off-market multifamily deals are considered the holy grail of investing. They offer unique opportunities to acquire assets at a discount, often with significant upside potential. But why are these deals so valuable, and why do they seem so elusive? Today, we're breaking down the misconceptions and giving you the tools to tap into this hidden market. One of the biggest misconceptions is that off-market deals are only available to well-connected insiders or those with deep pockets. Many believe you need a vast network or be a seasoned pro to get in on these opportunities. The truth is, anyone can find off-market deals with the right strategies and mindset. Another common misconception is that off-market deals are only available in certain markets or during specific times. Some think you need to be in a hot market or wait for a downturn. In reality, off-market deals can be found in any market, at any time, if you know where and how to look. But here's where it gets interesting. Professionals know that finding off-market deals requires a proactive and systematic approach. It's not about waiting for deals to come to you. It's about being intentional and putting in the work to uncover these hidden gems. Now, imagine being able to tap into these strategies and start finding off-market deals yourself. In just a moment, I'll reveal a key technique that top investors use to consistently find these opportunities. And it's simpler than you might think. First, let's talk about the power of networking. Building a strong network of real estate contacts, property owners, brokers, and other investors is crucial. Attend industry events, join real estate forums, and do not underestimate the value of a simple conversation. Your next big deal could come from a connection you make today. Next, leverage technology to your advantage. Online platforms, social media, and real estate websites can be powerful tools for uncovering potential deals. Use assets databases to identify owners that fit your investment criteria. Sometimes a direct approach can open doors that would otherwise remain closed. But here's the crucial insight. Focusing on motivated sellers is key. By identifying asset owners who may be facing financial distress or those looking to divest, you can negotiate favorable terms and secure off-market deals. This requires research and sometimes a bit of detective work, but the rewards can be substantial. Now, let's delve into a strategy that top investors swear by: direct mail campaigns. Yes, in this digital age, traditional mail still holds power. Crafting a personalized letter to owners expressing your interest can set you apart. It's personal, it's direct, and it often leads to conversations that others miss out on. But stay tuned, I'll share a surprising technique that can supercharge your efforts and put you ahead of the competition. Another effective tactic is partnering with local real estate professionals. Brokers, property managers, and even attorneys can be invaluable sources of information. They often have the inside scoop on properties that have not hit the market yet. Building genuine relationships with these professionals can grant you access to exclusive opportunities. Also, consider the power of being proactive in your target neighborhoods. Driving around, observing properties, and noting those that show signs of neglect or vacancy can lead you to owners willing to sell. Sometimes, the best deals are right under your nose. Now, here's that surprising technique I promised: utilizing public records to your advantage. By examining public records, you can find properties with absentee owners, properties with liens, or those nearing foreclosure. These situations often indicate a motivated seller, and reaching out can put you at the front of the line. Remember, persistence is key. Not every lead will turn into a deal, but consistent effort pays off. Keep track of your contacts, follow up regularly, and maintain a professional approach. Over time, you'll build a reputation that attracts opportunities. Before we wrap up, if you're finding this information valuable, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us continue to provide expert insights to help you achieve financial freedom. To sum up, finding off-market deals is not about luck or having insider connections. It's about implementing effective strategies, being persistent, and cultivating relationships. With the right mindset and approach, you too can access these lucrative opportunities. I would love to hear your experiences. Have you tried any of these strategies to find off-market deals? What successes or challenges have you encountered? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and before you go, make sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. It's filled with more strategies to propel you toward financial freedom. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. See you in the next one.